How to turn on or turn off debug non-rectangular clip operation on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. So here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down, and click on Developer option. So after click on Developer option, scroll down and search Debug None Rectangular Clip Operation from here. Scroll down. You will see Debug None Rectangular Clip Operation is here. So if you want to turn on, so select Draw None Rectangular Clip and do. And so if you want to turn off debug non-rectangular clip operation, so click on off. So you will turn on or turn off debug non-rectangular clip operation from here. So after turn on or turn off, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can turn on or turn off debug non-rectangular clip operation on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.